Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 11 PC or why my Bluetooth is not connecting to my PC. So here follow the steps. Click on Windows icon, then go to settings. Then on the left click on Bluetooth and devices. Then click on devices. Scroll down and then click on more Bluetooth settings. Now here you have to tick mark allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC option, then hit apply and OK. Additionally, go to Windows Update, then click on check for updates, and if you find any updates available for your Windows PC, then download and install them. So by this way you can fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11 PC or Bluetooth not connecting to Windows 11 PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.